How many scoops of sea moss do I take a day? How many scoops a day is going to vary from person to person. Depends on two things: how much you want to consume and how you consume it. The jar recommends 1 to 2 teaspoons, but every single morning I take a tablespoon of sea moss. I've been taking sea moss for a while, so when I started out I was doing smaller portions, but now it's so much easier to me and I definitely want more. And that's not the only time I have my sea moss during the day. I also always make a smoothie every single day, whether I go to the gym or not, and it always has sea moss in it, especially the strawberry banana, the strawberry flavor, the mango pineapple. All the fruity flavors are perfect for smoothies. Smoothies and soups are my favorite because you can really load up on the amount that you put in without really tasting it. So I love to make a strawberry ice cream protein sea moss smoothie, and I use this sea moss and I literally take a heaping spoonful and I just dump it in there. You can do 2 tablespoons depending on the flavor and how much you want, but if I have my morning scoop, I'll just add 1 tablespoon to my smoothie. So I'd recommend starting with a recommended amount of 1 to 2 teaspoons in your tea, soup, by mouth, and then slowly working your way up. If you like and you feel like you need more or you want the taste, then I definitely recommend going up to the tablespoon and adding as much as your heart desires.